Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be showing you guys how I make yogurt at home. Yogurt is one of those things that I used to think would be a very complicated and expensive drink to make. But once I got the hang of it, I saw how easy, trust me, how easy it is to make. And with only two basic ingredients, you can get the same exact results if you follow these steps. Yeah. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. First thing is to pour in my powdered milk into a bowl, just like this. I have 4 cups of powdered milk here. Then I'm going to go in with 4 cups of hot boiling water. When I say hot boiling, I mean like as soon as you turn off the heat, just come straight away with your kettle and measure out 4 cups of hot boiling water. Add it into the milk and mix everything up. Okay, you're going to stir properly so that the milk is thoroughly dissolved. The next step will be to add 4 cups of room temperature water, right? Not water from the fridge, just regular water as it is in the kitchen. 4 cups of that, and you're done. The next step again, we're going to stir. You stir, stir, stir till it's fine. Then we're going to bring our yogurt culture or yogurt starter. I emptied this sachet because I was using this powdered one. Dissolved it with the same milk that we're working with. Mix, mix, mix to make sure it's properly dissolved before adding it into the bowl of milk. Mix again so everything is thoroughly um dissolved or combined. Yeah. So the next step will be to pass this through a strainer. The reason for this is to get rid of those tiny lumps, as you can see. And then I'm being a little extra by just going around pressing everything to make sure I get every single drop of milk, right? Talk about getting my pennies worth. Yeah, so I make sure I get every drop of milk because and there, milk is expensive. I'm not leaving anything to go away like that. So I'm going to cover this up. Okay, so this shows that you should be working with a container that has a tight lid, because the next step now will be to wrap this up with some cloth. First, I went in with a towel, then I went in with this um fabric again, and then I don't know who sent me this one, oh, but I just thought that I should use a plastic bag because the blue one was looking like it's going to fall apart. So the plastic bag helped it stay in place. And after this, you're going to look for a warm, dark place in your house. Okay. If you don't have an oven, please don't sweat it. Just find somewhere that is quiet and dark and warm. Right. So 12 hours later, we are now going to reveal the star of the day. Yeah. So just quietly unwrap all these things you used in hiding the yogurt, and voila, our yogurt is ready, guys. Trust me when I say, in fact, you can see for yourself how thick it is. This was thick, and this is the same result I get every single time I make yogurt. It doesn't matter whether you use the liquid culture or you use the powdered one, you are going to get the same results if you follow the exact same steps like I did. So let's just appreciate how rich and creamy and thick this yogurt is before we proceed to the next step, right? Okay, so enough of the admiration. It's now time to get back to work. So I'm pouring in 1 heaped cup of granulated milk just to sweeten my yogurt. But if you don't want, you can totally skip this step and you'll be making unsweetened yogurt for yourself. So I like to loosen it up because, guys, as you can see, or as you saw, my yogurt was really thick and I'm going for drinking yogurt. So I rinsed out the bowl that I poured the yogurt from and used it to, just loosen it up. And this you have to do to your own preference. However thick or light you want it to be is totally up to you at this point, right? You're the one in charge. Do what you please. And after that, guys, just go ahead and store your yogurt. I'm using these plastic bottles to store mine. You can use whatever you want to store it. Just Go ahead, pour them into bottles, and there you have it, yogurt for days, right? Yogurt for days, trust me. So yeah, if you've watched up to now, I want to believe you've enjoyed the video so far. So please go ahead and like it, subscribe, share, and drop a comment. So till next time, guys, bye.